we're here giving out pet food, pet supplies, and some other human products that we've got to provide as well. But we just want to thank the community and thank the Michelson Found Animal Foundation for being here with us to help provide to everybody what they need.
We really are just leveraging all of our partnerships and relationships to make sure that pet parents can get what they need, and not just now, but in the months ahead too, because one bag of food can only last so long. So we're in it for the long haul to make sure that pet parents and pets are comfortable and safe and well fed.